Create an Exodus wallet account. Welcome to our guide on how to create an Exodus wallet account. Exodus Wallet is a secure and user-friendly platform for managing your cryptocurrency assets. Let's get started. Firstly, begin by opening your default web browser in a device. In the search bar, you can type Create Exodus Wallet Account and hit enter. Tap on the official Getting Started with Exodus link from search results. Download the Exodus app for your desired device, such as Mac, Windows, or Android. After the download is completed, you can open the application in your device. You'll be welcomed to the Exodus application. Tap on the settings to configure your account. Next, you have to create a strong password for your Exodus wallet account. Then you'll be prompted to enter your recovery phase and make sure to store this phrase securely. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know about creating an Exodus wallet account. With just few simple steps, you can start managing your cryptocurrency and assets securely. Thanks for watching.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.